Welcome back to BCR Garage. Today, we're on my favorite toy. On the road again. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm on the road again. Starting on the interior, and I'm gonna try to paint it. And you don't see nothing wrong with the interior?
No. I love the legroom.
Get the door panels on. Shit. Fake stuff like that. That's broken now. It's okay. I'm kidding. Yeah, it's really shit exhaust on it. I just needed to drive it, so I took some old glass packs and I cut them and welded them to the fitting, and just it's hack.
You're gonna put a hood on this thing?
Fuck no.
That would just not be very redneck of you. To be against the redneck policy, put a hood on it. Yeah.
I could not imagine having to track triple. Hey,
That would suck.
you want to talk about losing faith on humanity?
Every day.
So what are my plans for the car? Pretty simple. Continue on with the mechanically safe aspect of it. I don't think I want to die anytime soon. In fact, I know I don't want to die anytime soon. I've been through everything on the car that would have me otherwise worried. I don't have to worry about the tires falling off anymore. I've gone through the suspension. I'm just doing the last buttoning up on the motor. We've had some minor issues. One of the first things we had is the mechanical advance in the distributor, because this engine idles about 900 to 1,000, was rolling in too soon. That's a problem, because as it rolls in, we're not able to control the idle because it wants to idle faster and faster as the mechanical advance rolled in. So I've been playing around with weights and springs. Right now, the weights and springs I have in here cause the engine to be a little lazy, under 2,500 RPMs, which is fine. I'm not really jumping on it at 2,500 RPMs. The valve covers were leaking. Nothing like having a new engine that leaks. So we put these marine grade stainless steel washers in here. They have a little rubber on the back. Try to seal it up a little bit so they're not leaking all over the place. Once we get the last little bit of the mechanical stuff wrapped up, I think she needs a little bit of a makeover. She's definitely fugly. I know a lot of people like it. To be honest, I also like it. The problem being, I want to get classic car insurance, and they like the car looking nice. That is not a nice look. All right. I do need to clean her up a little bit. They don't have high expectations on these cars, so I'm not too worried about how nice the paint looks. I just need the paint to look somewhat nice. This doesn't look somewhat nice. I do plan on cleaning up the wiring and getting it all buttoned up, making the engine bay look as clean as possible. One of my big goals coming up quick, we got to get headlights hooked up. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the vacuum actuators to work. With the big cam I have, vacuum actuators don't work all that well. So I might have to come out here and mechanically pull the headlights up until I figure out maybe a vacuum pump or something else to be able to run the headlights up and down. But I do plan on getting that all wired up. We have some track nights coming up, Friday night street drags, and I definitely need some headlights and running lights to be able to do it. Right now the car has everything it needs to be able to drive relatively street legal throughout the daytime, but it has nothing at night. I also got to do an exhaust system on the Vette before I can drive it around anymore, and we'll see how that goes. It's going to be a short exhaust system. Never done one before. I got the bender for it, but that doesn't mean I'm going to do a good job at it. With that being said, hope you liked the video. Be sure to hit that like button and let me know how you like the intro. It's kind of short. We'll work on it.